Hello and welcome to today's presentation on the Food and Drug Administration's Orange and Purple Book. Both resources are managed by the U.S. Food and Drug Administration and did start out as actual reference books and are still printed as reference materials as well. But in recent years, they have also become searchable online databases. Orange Book's actual title is Approved Drug Products with Therapeutic Equivalence Evaluations. As the title says, it primarily deals with therapeutic equivalence, pharmaceutical equivalence, pharmaceutical alternatives, and other similar concepts. The Purple Book's actual title is List of Licensed Biological Products with Reference Product Exclusivity and Biosimilarity or Interchangeability Evaluations. And with these titles, you can see why they're called the Orange and Purple Book. It is the FDA's database of licensed biologics products and licensed allergenic cellular and gene therapy, hematologic, and vaccine products. As the title suggests, you will use it to look up anything to do with biosimilarity or interchangeability. So let's look at an example from the Orange Book. In this scenario, we want to know if levetiracetam 1 gram from Tera Pharmaceuticals can be used as a generic for the brand of Spridem 1 gram tablets. And as always, forgive me if I am pronouncing these drugs wrong. And if it can't be used as a generic, we want to know, are there any therapeutic equivalents that can be used instead? As always, you can find all your resources on the College of Pharmacy resource page. Under Drug Information, you will find links to both the Orange Book and the Purple Book. I'm going to start by searching by our drug name. And I know I want a 1 gram tablet version, so I'm going to sort this very large table by strength, and then scroll down to 1 gram. And here's Tera Pharmaceutical Industries, and we can see it has this AB next to it. That means that it is a therapeutic equivalent of Keppra, which is this brand name here. But now we need to find Spridem. We have not found it yet. Again, here's Tera. Let's go to page 2. Go back up. And here it is at the very top, and there's no therapeutic equivalence code here, so it is not a therapeutic equivalent. And we can click into it and see that there is no code, so there's no therapeutic equivalence. We can also search for Spridem directly, and you can see right away that there is no therapeutic equivalence code for any of them. So now let's move on to the Purple Book, which you access exactly the same way as you did the Orange Book from the University of Kentucky Libraries Research Guide for the College of Pharmacy. Because these are FDA sites, you can also just access them by Googling them and bookmark them. They are free websites provided by the US government. And as a reminder, the Purple Book is where you focus on biosimilarity and interchangeability. And we are going to search the Purple Book, which you have to do by clicking this little button here. We're going to search it for Humira, because we want to see if all their biosimilars are in fact interchangeable. So I search the name of the drug, and it comes up here, and I can click into it. And as I scroll down, I can see that there are 3, 6, 9 biosimilars. And when I go to interchangeables, I can see that there are 3, 6 interchangeables. So, despite the fact that there are 9 biosimilar products, only 6 of them are interchangeable for Humira. And we can look at the specific names and pick out which are which. You can click into the product labels and get more information about each of them that way if you need expanded results. Thank you for joining us for this presentation. If you need to contact the Medical Center Library, please reach out to us at mclib@uky.edu. That's mclib@uky.edu.